show you guys exactly what's going on. Here we have module 6, and compared to the total voltages of all the other modules, which is 23.32 or 23.33 for the rest of them, module 6 is at 23.53, and there are 6 cells inside the module, and they should all be within 0.2 millivolts of each other. You can see here we're almost dead perfect all the way around 3.88 to 3.89, and then we get back to module 6. That's 20 millivolts over. This is the allowable difference is 10 plus or minus 10, and you're at well over that. So essentially the BMS board here is causing an imbalance. This BMS board is bad. You can see here on the top, these are the readings from the BMS board itself. And we have 3.80 on cell 3 and 3.82 on cell 4. But actual voltage readings are 3.99, 3.99. These are only allowed to be 0.2 difference from themselves. So the battery module would shut this off, and I'll show you how I found that out. So here you have our total voltage, 23.53, which again is way over that 23.33 plus or minus 10. And to check individual cells from the BMS board that reports to the computer, cell 1, 3.89, cell 2, 3.89, cell 3, 3.80, 78, 65, 3.8, just call it 3.8. Cell 4, 3.82, 3.8, 3.89, 3.6, or 3.89. So now that cell 3, the BMS, is reading 3.80. But if we were to check cell voltages from the module itself, and this is how it works. So this is going to be cell 1 at 3.89, and then you go to cell 2, 3.89, cell 3, 3.99. So it's reading way off from where it actually is. This BMS board is bad. There's some kind of resistance either in the board, more than likely in the board. So it's overcharging this one cell to bat. So essentially this BMS board is bad. And then also the BMS board on this is a pyro fuse, and it's acting really weird, and I think it should be replaced. So I touch these together, it beeps, tells me that we have continuity. If we touch here and here, it's not doing it now. But it's still 0.8. That's not good. Oh, there it goes. So I can rub on this, and it's going like it's open. So it's like it's got high resistance, 0.7. You're only allowed 0.2, 0.3 in a system, and this has 0.7, and it's intermittently. Yeah, see, there it goes. Intermittently stopped working. And I know this meter's good, it's a fluke. So I also think we should replace the BMS board on this. So we'll get you an estimate here shortly.